When one visits Laban Gitau's home in Maragua, Murang'a County, one is welcomed by the sights and sounds of various poultry, from chicken, ducks, to guinea fowls. But our attention is drawn to one bird that is bigger and more colorful than the rest of the birds in Laban's homestead, the turkey.
It's a beautiful bird, especially the female one. When you see it doing the feathers and it's like a peacock. Turkey si kama vile ukichinja kakuku mnakula mkiwa watano ama waine. Turkey ni unaweza hata ukiwa na wageni kama 10 unachinja turkey na inakuwa ni kama mbuzi.
Laban, who has been a poultry farmer for over 5 years now, began rearing turkeys in 2013 after noticing a high demand for turkey products in his home county. With an initial capital of 10,000 shillings, Laban, who doubles up as a miller, bought 2 female turkeys and a male turkey. While Laban says rearing of turkeys is easy, he reckons that turkeys need lots of attention, especially during their early months of life.
Turkey si kama kuku. Watoto wa turkey wana need a lot of care. Turkey ikilalia inafaa kupatiwa chakula mzuri. Ikilalia inaweza kaa hata 3 days haijatoka kwenda kula. Kama huna incubator, unaweza tumia turkey kama incubator. Hata ukiwa na kuku. Kuku unajua kawaida hulalia mayai kama 10 ama 12, lakini ukiwa na turkey hata mayai ya kuku unaweza mpatia 20 of them.
And that is probably one reason why Laban has chosen to concentrate on selling young turkeys or poults. And the result of his decision hasn't been disappointing so far.
Turkey eggs, unajua huwa zipatikani, but you prefer not to sell the eggs. Kwa sababu eggs ukiuza yai moja ni 150. Na the same egg ukiwekea turkey hatch, after 1 month that chick unauza 1000. In a month siwezi kosa kama 20k. Tuseme hata ikiagua watoto huyu 10 1000 that is 20k. Siwezi kosa 20k.
It takes about 6 months for a turkey to mature, and by that time, a male turkey can weigh up to 15 kilos, while a female turkey weighs at least 5 kilos.
A female turkey, it costs about 4,000. But for the male one, the male is a bit expensive, 6,000, 5k.
To remain successful in turkey farming, regular vaccination of one's brood is essential.
Challenges in turkey farming yenye napata ni hiyo ugonjwa yenye nimekwambia, fowlpox. Na usipotumia dawa, hiyo vaccine yenye nilikuwa nasema kuna vaccine ya hiyo ugonjwa ikiwa na 2 months ikiwa vaccinated, then turkey hautatoboa business ya turkey nazo.
Although turkey farming is still in its infancy in Kenya, farmers like Laban believe that the space is still wide open for those that would like to savor the benefits of venturing into turkey farming. Dennis Otieno, Smart Farm.